Hello everyone, I'm Troy Hubert from Classy Bastards Catering, and I'm here today to put my spin on an old Southern classic. You might not have heard of this before, but this recipe item we're going to do here today is called Alabama White Style Barbecue Sauce. And this recipe for this video, for this style of sauce has been around for over 100 years, and the recipe founder who made it in 1920, Big Bob Gibson from Alabama, Decatur, Alabama. Of course, everybody know that I'm not from Alabama. I'm from Eastern North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina. But I'm about to put my Southern spin on this Southern classic, Alabama style, white, tangy barbecue sauce. And everybody don't like mayonnaise, so you got to like mayonnaise to like this right here, this recipe. And this recipe also is nothing you heat up. You do this recipe totally cold. And I'm telling you, the taste and the flavor content and the layers of flavor of this video, you're gonna see once I start to prepare this recipe. And let's get to the recipe. Hello everyone, I'm Troy Hubert, and this is step one to putting the Alabama style white tangy barbecue sauce together. And I got all my ingredients right here. Let me put out a disclaimer about this. You got to use Duke's mayonnaise to create the best product out of this white Alabama white tangy barbecue sauce. You got to use Duke mayonnaise. It ain't got Duke mayonnaise on the container, but this is Duke's mayonnaise. And I use Duke because Duke's got that right amount of oil that everybody knows that we need to have in potato salad and this sauce that I'm making, Duke's mayonnaise. And let's begin. Scoop it out here. This good old fresh Duke's mayonnaise I'm mixing together. So this sauce right here I'm making today, it's gonna be a big batch from, you can make smaller batches of this right here, but I'm making a big batch because I'm gonna be doing some sauces for some barbecue sauces to be selling. So this is like a way to get a great recipe done, and also to get it done live on video. Duke's mayonnaise, a must. Okay, here we go. And the next thing, you need to add a little bit of paprika. Dump it. Do this quick. Cayenne pepper. Onion salt. A little bit of salt. Pepper, a good amount of pepper in it. It's going to be key to bringing some great flavor. Just like I said, this is going to be flavorful. Brown sugar. Everybody loves brown sugar. And then another thing, apple cider vinegar. Everybody loves apple cider vinegar. And remember, you want to keep this white, so your stuff is just brown. You need to keep it light when you're putting it in. I got a little bit of Worcestershire sour sauce. Worcestershire sour sauce. I got some lemon juice. And some spicy brown mustard. Okay, do I got everything? Oh no, I'm missing one more thing. Okay, and this is the kicker right here. Horseradish. What y'all know about horseradish? Gonna open your sinuses up. Horseradish. And the last thing I want to put in here is gonna put that extra kick in here is Dijon Mustard. So if you notice, you look at the stuff that I put in here, all flavorful items. So this is why they call it white Alabama tangy barbecue sauce. And let me stir everything in and get it right. I got to stir it. Got to see me whip it up. Got to put that whip game on it. Got to put that whip game on it. Alabama white style tangy barbecue sauce. Look at it. Look how it's transforming. Look at the texture of it. You can put hot sauce in this right here if you want to kick up the flavor, but I'm not putting no hot sauce in it. But look at this sauce right here. And then I'm just gonna, you know, maybe put a little more extra flavor and everything. Come back again with a few more of the flavors. And also an item I forgot, y'all, ketchup. Everybody loves ketchup. Put a little more salt. You put the rest of this horseradish in here so I can get the full tanginess of it. Okay, put another little swab of Dijon mustard in here. Okay, put a little more Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce. And one more little dab of lemon juice. I'm gonna whip it up good. Alabama white style tangy barbecue sauce. Look at it. And you can put this on anything, pork, chicken, brisket, anything. All you got to do is make sure that it's served cold. Look at that. I'm telling you, let me get a little taste. Tangy. So go to my website, classybastardscatering.com. for more information about my Alabama white style tangy barbecue sauce. And thank you for watching my video.